Alright guys, we're back here at the shower bathroom that we did last time. All the lights, all the electricity is all installed. We're back here because of this one here are not aligning it into place. See when you turn it off, right? Open, see how it stops. So you know what I mean, it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, it should be like that. So now we have to remove this and do some adjustment. Alright, so first thing we gotta do now is we have to remove the knob. Okay. Okay, put it there nice and safe. Yeah, let's just say. Hold on. So for this one, you need what's my 3/4? Oh, yeah. 3/4? Okay, right now we're gonna use the 23. So now it's the 2132. We're gonna be loosening that nut inside. We're gonna loosen it with this one. Okay. Loosen it a little bit and then line it up. You should just line it up. Now it's lined up. Okay. Now tighten it. I hope it didn't move because I can't hold the stem extensions. I hope. Now let's double check. Okay, make sure it's aligned. Gotta do a little bit more. Finally got it. So it's already good. Okay, now we can tighten it. And let's double check. Now let's do the other one. Okay, so we're now both done. Okay, let's test it. Okay. Oh, it's all good. It's close. It's so nice and straight. Yeah, straight. Straight. Yeah.